Namaste foodies, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make Loki ke kofte or bottle gourd koftas. So it's a very simple recipe, it's a Jain recipe. So for this we need ginger, 1-inch piece of ginger and 1 green chili, and I have taken 4 red tomatoes here. These are small size, so I have taken 4. You can take 3 if it's little bigger size. So now I will just churn it and we will make it a very smooth paste. So we'll keep churning it to make a smooth paste. You can add a little bit water if you want to. Now the gravy paste is ready, and if you want to add onion, garlic, you can add that as well. So here I have taken bottle gourd, half of the bottle gourd. It depends on the size or quantity you want. So after grating it, we will squeeze the extra water out of it because we have to make the dumplings and we need to add chana flour or gram flour besan to bind it properly so that we can fry it easily. So we'll squeeze out the extra bottle gourd water, and I have taken here 3 tablespoons of besan or gram flour to give it a good binding, but don't add it too much, otherwise it will not be very soft dumplings. So I have added salt here, turmeric powder, little bit turmeric powder, coriander and cumin powder, and red chili powder according to your taste. So we will mix everything together. Now I am putting the pan for making the gravy. For gravy, I have added 1 tablespoon of oil. We will heat it little bit. We will add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and little bit of dry fenugreek leaves. Adding in the oil, hot oil, it will give a very good flavor. And I have added coriander powder and red chili powder. Adding these spices in this hot oil will make the gravy color very beautiful, and we will mix it quickly, and we will add the tomato paste here, tomato ginger chili paste, and we will let it cook so that the tomato are well cooked and their rawness will go away. So I'm adding water also here. So we can put this pan aside on the another burner, and I am putting here pan with some oil for frying. So this is our batter which we have made with the bottle gourds. So we will make the small dumplings till our oil is getting hot. So these dumplings I have prepared roughly, and now we will add these dumplings in the hot oil one by one. Very carefully we have to add these. And we will fry them till they are golden brown in color. And on the another burner, our gravy is getting ready. So here it is, our gravy. We will add other things here like salt. I have added salt as per our taste, and you can add jaggery or sugar also here if you want to balance the sourness of the tomatoes. It's optional. And here these are getting ready, our dumplings. And in that Jain gravy, we can add some curry leaves as well for the extra flavor. Now directly we will put these dumplings into the hot gravy so that they will absorb the flavor of the gravy. Now I have added all the koftas inside and we will cover it. And we will cook it for 3 to 5 minutes with the koftas inside so that they can absorb all the flavors of the gravy. So our kofta is almost ready. Now it's ready to serve. We can switch off the gas and we can serve it. You can enjoy this kofta with the roti or paratha or any kind of bread, whatever you like. And I am garnishing it with cilantro and little bit of cream I am using here for garnishing. If you like my recipe, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.